Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Wednesday, August 30th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. Oman's upcoming Shura council elections will be held with the help of cutting-edge technologies. For example, the mobile app used for voting not only verifies both sides of citizens' ID cards, but also uses facial recognition to provide an added level of security and transparency. Dubai-headquartered global air services company DNATA has partnered with logistics solutions provider Speed Cargo to improve cargo handling for Etihad Cargo at Singapore's Changi Airport. Speed Cargo's Cargo Eye uses computer vision to scan and automatically capture cargo's exact dimensions, volume data, images, and labels. And Saudi Arabia and the US will begin a second round of military counter-drone exercises next month at the new Red Sands Experimentation Center near Riyadh. The first exercises were held in March, in recognition of the rising threat of unmanned aircraft systems. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.